This thing is great for motorbikes, but for cars, it takes forever really. Huh. Jimmy's falling apart. I fixed the Jimny. It's fixed now. Yeah. Brings me back to the old Honda days. Fully packed. Now you understand why I have to bring my own gear on the motorcycle and a backpack, but it doesn't bother me at all. Okay. It's a tiny car after all. Also dann. Tschüssi. Dankeschön. So the 12-volt battery is heating up, okay. I just need a minute because my 12-volt battery is heating up. When it's so cold, it won't. Ah, now it goes. Alright, we're good, babes.
Here we go!
Luckily I was fully charged. Because when it's that cold and the battery is that cold, I won't take a charge. So it's very important for me now when it's so cold to always charge her up right away. Alright, guys, we're going down south. Turning them on. Chargers everywhere. Everywhere. A little bit concerned about the salt. I might wash her at the next house. Should I be concerned? How's driving today?
Yeah, it's okay. I'm getting used to it.
Yeah? Maree wanted me to turn this on. Yeah. 200 kilometers to go. Let's do it. I gotta be honest with you guys. It feels a little weird to know that there's no going back home anymore. This is what we do now. We live on the road. It feels so strange. A lot of getting used to. Also like sharing these tiny spaces together, and as soon as we come somewhere warmer, there will be camping. But I enjoy it. I enjoy riding right now. Maree can work from anywhere. This is really good. She also started to keep track of our expenses. What are you doing?
I'm calculating stuff.
I never did that.
No, you can't look, see at my stuff. No, I want to know at the end of our big travels when we get to New Zealand, like look back and see how much we spent weekly, monthly, annually, and it'd be interesting. Imagine being like, wow, we spent like $500,000 in 2 years.
Okay.
We don't have $500,000 to spend.
I never kept track of what I spent on the road, but Maree does now. We're going further down south. Range is really good with the new battery, but I will have to charge one time at least. The camera is frozen again. I need to charge it up here. Can I give it to you? Let's go charge the bike as well. No. Ich stehe hier an der Ladesäule.
Okay, aber die Säulen sind auch gerade nicht aktiv.
Ja, ciao. Ciao. No, she says it's not active. problem with this charger here is I didn't get it to work, and there was another one over there. The problem there was that the bike was already too cold. The battery cooled down so much because we have -degree again. It didn't take a charge, so what we have to do now is try and find another one. Finding a charger is not the issue. The issue is finding a charger with a restaurant next to it so we can have something to eat and warm up. But I'm pretty positive we're going to find something. So I found one 30 kilometers from here, and it should work. It should work. Range is 45 kilometers, so it's gonna be a very close call, but I'm positive. You can do it, Eve. Yes, works. I think the fireworks is for us.
I was going to say, is that for our arrival?
Yeah, I think so.
Serious question.
Yeah.
Why don't they put a charging station at every gas station, so when you see a gas station sign, you know there's a charging spot? Like, doesn't that make sense?
That does make sense.
Why don't they? It's common
I don't know.
sense.
Yeah.
It's not even science. It's not even rocket science.
That would be nice, yeah. And we would have something to warm up too.
Exactly, and I'd make more money because I'd go and spend on the food and the coffee and stuff in the gas station.
Absolutely.
No, you're not. Yeah. Don't spit on the tea.
Oh, good.
Right?
Yeah.
It's like it's sweet, but it's spicy, but it's not sour. So it's not sweet. It's not sweet and sour.
Würzig.
Sweet and spicy.
No, it's really spicy.
It's not like super spicy.
I think that was outstanding Asian food and cheap. We just paid 18 euro for 2 meals and 2 drinks. Not bad.
It's like old prices.
Not bad.
Shoulda get a coffee. Shoulda got a coffee. Shoulda got a coffee. Shoulda got a coffee. Should I get one?
Maybe not.
Coffee. Hello.
So the way the new battery charges is like when it's super empty, it will charge super fast, and the moment it gets to like 70 or 75%, it will slow down the charge. So it charges now with 5.1 kilowatts. Before it charged obviously with 9 kilowatts. But yeah, this is just to save itself probably from damage. That's how I explain it to myself. Battery's empty. They last quite long, but at some point they go empty. Could connect them to the motorcycle, but I don't know. Doesn't feel good. Okay, good to go. Let's do it.
Let's do this.
Wow. Yeah, it's just best to take the Autobahn for the last part because it's getting dark and it's also getting colder, and I have the experience that on the Autobahn they are really good with the salt and with all this, you know, there will be no ice for sure. Safest option, I guess. And I just wanted to let you know that my range that I had just now was 160 kilometers, which is so good for this cold temperatures. I didn't get that with the old battery in summer. I'm happy they changed the battery on the warranty. I might do another video and we'll talk about everything that has been done to Eve, because I know you guys are super interested in that. I lost Maree, I don't know, she's not behind me anymore, but she'll be fine. She's a very good driver.
Look, Mum, no hands.
There she is. My girl.
This way? Oh. Like, just like up here? Yeah? Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll charge now.
Okay. Okay. This one? How does it open? Do you need a key to open it? I think it's locked.
Huh?
It's locked.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's good enough.
Oh yeah, sounds good. Sounds like it's charging. Very good. Doing a slow charge overnight, right away. So when we leave the place, it will be all good.
It's for like 3 Ks. And then the
Wow.
passing lane.
Oh, babes.
Then the passing lane.
Well, we sleep good tonight in that
Very cozy.
little cow bed.
Very cozy.
It's awesome, right?
Very cozy.
The whole place?
Look, I'm trying to make a video!
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, shush now!
I was just checking my charging history, but so far it only shows me the one from 3 days ago. €4.76 for one full charge. And yeah, in the next video I'll probably show you the one from today, but I think it's gonna be like €5 again. Eve is charging. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.